prove my blood, I swear I kill the dead. Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Paramveer Chakra, Kargil War 1999. We the NCC cadets of Mercy College 27K Battalion Palakkad are here to commemorate the brave hearts who lost their life in Kargil War.
The Kargil War, which was also known to be the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan. This conflict happened from May to July of 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and along the line of control. In India, the conflict was referred to as Operation Vijay. The Indian Air Force and Indian Army jointly took great effort to flush out all troops of Pakistan Army from the vacated Indian positions along line of control. The code name of this operation was Operation Safed Sagar. Sri K.R. Narayanan was the president, Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the prime minister, and General Ved Prakash Malik, the chief of Army Staff of India. There were three major phases to the Kargil War. First one, Pakistan infiltrated forces into the Indian control section of Kashmir and occupied strategic locations. Second one, India discovered the infiltration and the mobilized force to respond to it. And the third one, major battle by India and Pakistan force resulting in India recapturing most of the territories held by Pakistani force. Finally, in July 26, Kargil War officially came an end. Pakistani withdrew all their regular and irregular forces.
From Mercy College. Now I am going to deliver a few words about Major Raja Singh Adhikari. He was born on 25th December 1917. Major Raja Singh Adhikari was an Indian Army officer. He laid down his life during the Kargil War. He posthumously awarded the second highest Indian military honor, the Mahavir Chakra, for bravery on the battlefield.
Lieutenant Balwant Singh, now a Khena, is another braveheart, a decorated Indian Army officer who was awarded the Mahavir Chakra for his courage in leading the successful assault to capture the Tiger Hill during 1999 Kargil War. A second-generation soldier, Balwant Singh, was inspired to join the Indian Army by his father Shobha Chand, a decorated veteran of 2nd Jet Battalion. With just 4 months of his service when the Kargil War broke out, he was tasked to lead the Cuttack platoon in attempt to capture the Tiger Hill during the eponymous battle. Before leading his platoon into action, he vowed, "We will hoist the tricolor atop the Tiger Hill. Combat me." He was the Tiger of Tiger Hill. He killed the 4 enemy soldiers despite being seriously injured. For his inspirational leadership and courage, he was awarded the Mahavir Chakra by the President K.R. Narayanan on Independence Day 1999.
Captain Vikram Batra. Captain Vikram Batra was an officer of Indian Army who was awarded Paramveer Chakra, India's highest and most prestigious award for valor, for his action during the Kargil War 1999. He led the toughest operation in mountain warfare in Indian history. He was also known as Kargil Hero, Lion of Kargil, and Tiger of Dras. He was often referred to as Sher in the intercepted message of Pakistan Army. Going into the battle, he said, "I will either come back after raising the Indian flag in victory or return wrapped in it, but I will come for sure." Captain Vikram Batra displayed the most conspicuous personal bravery and leadership of the highest order in the face of enemy and made the supreme sacrifice in the highest tradition of Indian Army.
Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey was an Indian Army officer who was posthumously awarded India's highest military honor, the Paramveer Chakra, for his audacious courage and leadership during Kargil War in 1999. He was born on 25th June 1975 in Sitapur district, Uttar Pradesh. He was an officer of the 1st Battalion 11 Gorga Rifles. During a military mission to capture Ghalibagh Top in July 1997, Lieutenant Manoj Kumar Pandey killed 4 enemy personnel and destroyed 2 enemy positions. Even though he was badly wounded, he still showed the courage to destroy the 4th enemy position. He got a fatal burst on his forehead and collapsed at the final bunker.
Rifleman Sanjay Kumar. Sanjay Kumar was an Indian Army soldier and a recipient of Paramveer Chakra, India's highest military award. In the Kargil War during 1999, Sanjay Kumar volunteered to be the team leader of the 13th Battalion, Jammu and Kashmir, and was assigned the task for capturing the area flat top of Mushko Valley. During the fight, the Indian soldiers were pinned down by 150 meters away from the enemy bunker. That area was captured by the Pakistani troops. Realizing the magnitude, Sanjay Kumar decided to move alone. He killed 3 of the Pakistani soldiers and then he picked the enemy gun and moved towards the second enemy bunker and killed all of them. Seeing his courage, all the rest of the Indian army charged and assaulted rest of the Pakistani soldiers and finally captured the area flag top.
Captain Amal Kalia was born on 26 February 1974 in Nankal town in Ropa district of Punjab. He is a son of Sri Satpal Kalia and Srimati Usha Kalia. He did his schooling from Fertilizer Model School in Nankal and passed the entrance exam of National Defence Academy in April 1994. The recapture of a key position in the Battali sector by Captain Amal Kalia and 12 of his men was one of the bravest activities seen in the Kargil War. Captain Amal Kalia was a valiant soldier and a gritty officer who led from the front and laid down his life in the line of his duty.
We common men are living peacefully. Our flag doesn't fly because wind blows it. It flies with the last breath of every soldier died protecting it. For days and nights you struggle for us. For days and nights you live for others. Salute to this nobility. Salute to the brave hearts, their selfless acts. You are our true heroes. You are the honor to our nation.